Ri-Bhoi Synod College ka badan hakashnong umsat sning Ri-Bhoi District menta ka sngi kala pynkup burom ya kumba alpu wengut ki samla ki bala paidbah bat ki bala dap pyndep ya ka graduate ha padeng ki jing ipo ipeng ha ka graduation day bala penlong ha auditorium hall jang ka te ka college ha ka ni ka sngi ka jing pynkup burom ya ki te ki samla oba mayoral bonds MLA ka nongpo ulalong ukong san ha ka jing danlang oba dipul rintathiang chairman barim ka sning town dorbar o Reverend H.L. Marsing, President ka governing body, o Reverend P.S. Tumong, Principal, ka Kongde Gresha Lingkhoy, Vice Principal, kinohikay ki samla puli lambat ki kami ki kapa.
English Department. Pynphriang English Department. Tehila Praise Movement English Department. Jongsar Bufflery Sanjib Tumong English Department. Macam P Baroban I ke jumpuran nakalian cumi ki 6th semester. Tengas dan nakabaat today congratulations ya baru ki para samla bela graduate. Dan pernah halor ka jing share ni experience ki banglamat hakini ki snam ki bladan. Dan hakdeng jani ki bladan san snam hakane college dan ki beda dan ro ki bedan lai snam. Tam hakdeng ki jiya dinti min lab Bayo snow bala day kapor bangin meet no na kanika college kabangi mila por shakani ka thong tang na jing fresh tom jingi hendre kidan kino kurshan kino yanga kino I went I por ni but kita kidai kino hikai ba it jongi ka Ri-Bhoi Synod College kam data ka shlam aji kai ka bai day ba ka thong khlieh hendre ka deiru ka jaka aji kai shemphang ka jingan deli kajing idmar kalian kajing snow red but kadeiru kajing kajaka ba ajing snenging crown ha ka bai dei ba kajing im ka man kasni ha kajing im jongi kumba kamuto jong college ko the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom kumta ka college ka hikani isamla ba ha ba Nidan hangi, nidai balong para board ki riew ki bedan ku jing shakti yung play. Ka balong ka jing stam jong ka jing star. Ha ka lindi ka ba? Kani ka college ka Kiew yangi.
Each and every one of you who are present here today. Reverend P.S. Tumong and all the faculty members, your dedication, your hard work, your services that you have given to them. It has paid off. And I am not wrong to say that even the parents and family members kibahi ki bhasam ki beda hunir ki kiba. Jadi ke por kaba kemen na gonta jumpi. Kaba ki even ki pun dari siu ki men para ki jumpi ki yo academic. So it is a time of joy to each and every one of us, not only to the student, but to the teachers, faculty members, the task that has been put in front of each and every one of us, that we are able to fulfill it with joy and happiness. And we understand the challenges that the college are facing with regard to infrastructure, with regard to other utility within this college. Keeping in mind all those challenges, Ri-Bhoi Synod College, after it has attained full affiliation to the Northeastern Hill University in 2023, now you have grown from strength to strength. Even though I have said in my opening remark, the challenges are always there. with regards to student, with regards to management, family, the support. These are issues in which and every one of us we have to go through. Nomor kata ki kini kipa ki bahagi ki badan lang kata ni kuat. Tadi kita kepor ke dokumen kata ngagum tajuk ki jumlah lang barat. Beliau pada sakilah ia kena bersih. Graduation day ngagum tajuk ini. Student ini, but ini exam most among you have pursued for further studies, PGs, Shillong, Guwahati, Pura, or elsewhere. Those who have opportunity and your family have opportunity to support you, I will wish you all the best in days to come. When we are here today, remembering student life, as a student in the past, at various stages in which I personally remember how we have struggled to ensure that we will sail through at every steps, every challenges that we are facing. It is not an easy task to pass class 3, class 6, class 10, then 12, graduation, postgraduate, and so on.